Welcome everyone. The first step to set a fingerprint lock is we're going to open up the settings, and inside of the settings I want you to scroll all the way down until you see security and privacy, and from here you're going to keep on scrolling until you see the device lock, and you're going to tap on the arrow. You are then going to tap on the fingerprints. You're going to enter in your password, pattern or PIN. We're going to select setup, and we're just going to lift and hold our finger on the fingerprint sensor, slightly move your finger each time, and in no time the fingerprint should be set up on our Nothing phone. Once it is, we can go here, long press, and it's going to unlock our Nothing phone. You can also go into the fingerprint settings, so we'll go back to that area we were in earlier, and once you're here you can add multiple fingerprints if you would like. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.